Tara, let's explore this brand new 5-bedroom house na siguradong magugustuhan mo. This property sits on a 285 square meter lot with a floor area of 430 square meters. Tara, silipin natin. This property is a corner lot, kaya napaka-prime nito. This is located in one of the most exclusive enclaves here in BF Homes, Parañaque City. So can you imagine how beautiful the master's bedroom is dito sa house na to? Look at this door, no? Solid wood door. May ka ditong steel na handle at double door ito. Pero bago tayo pumasok, tara, pasok tayo.